Setting up a new gaming PC from scratch, a new machine is a blank slate, and the order you do things in saves hours. Here's a sequence that works. First, before anything else, check your firmware settings. Make sure the memory profile is enabled because memory running at its default speed rather than its rated speed costs real performance, and it's the single most common oversight. Second, install Windows. Then let Windows Update run fully before installing anything else. Third, install the graphics driver directly from the chip manufacturer and the chipset driver from your motherboard maker. These two matter more than any other software. Fourth, set your monitor's refresh rate because Windows will default to 60. Fifth, install your launchers and start downloading, which takes longest. While that runs, configure Windows, power mode, game mode, storage settings, and a graphics preference for each game. Finally, run a benchmark and note the numbers as your baseline.